Welcome friends. In this emergency video, I am going to show you what are Bitcoin targets. Bitcoin is going up or Bitcoin is going down. What are the exact targets and what moves Bitcoin can do. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description. Let's focus to the content. Bitcoin is currently at $38,900 and after hitting this zone, $40,900, Bitcoin is rejected several times. Here you can see Bitcoin hitting this uptrend line and price goes down. After hitting this again, price goes down, and after hitting this, here you can see after hitting this and after hitting this uptrend line, Bitcoin price goes down. Unfortunately, at that time Bitcoin hit $40,440, and after hitting this area, Bitcoin is now at $38,950. This is uptrend line. Bitcoin break this successfully, and here you can see. Let me please show you how beautifully Bitcoin break this uptrend line. And after breaking this, Bitcoin is failed to break this main trend line. Once Bitcoin break this main trend line, in that case, Bitcoin price can go up. Maybe Bitcoin is ready to go down to 36,000, maybe 34,000. Why I am telling this? And let me please show you. Let me please do this. Bitcoin is in this Bitcoin is in this head and shoulder pattern, and here you can see clear head and shoulder pattern. But unfortunately, Bitcoin fails to break this pattern. If Bitcoin fails this, if Bitcoin break this pattern towards upside, definitely $51,000 will is the target. $51,500 or maybe $51,000 will be our target. But unfortunately, Bitcoin fails to break this, and Bitcoin is now $38,980. Let me please zoom this and let me please show you. What are the major support zone? This is the major support zone is at $36,400. Maybe Bitcoin price can go to hit this zone again, $36,400, or maybe $34,800. And after hitting this zone, Bitcoin will go up and price will go up. Let me please show you the major tool, major indicator, that is EMA ribbon. Bitcoin fails to break this EMA ribbon towards upside, and Bitcoin rejected from that zone. And once Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon and this uptrend line, in that case Bitcoin can go up, and in that case Bitcoin is ready to hit 45,000, maybe $51,000. Why I am saying $45,000? I will tell you in this video. Please wait. And let me please show you the VPVR towers. Here you can see there is a very big volume is at $37,000, $39,000, $38,000, $40,000, and $36,000. This is the area $36,000 to $40,000 where buying and selling orders having. This area is very strong for the traders. Let me please show you something very interesting. Let me please convert it into the weekly chart. Let me please show you the EMA. This is the weekly chart, and these are weekly candles. This is 21 weekly EMA line. 21 weekly EMA line is at $44,800. Once Bitcoin break this area and close weekly candle above $45,000, in that case Bitcoin is ready to hit again new all-time high. Otherwise, Bitcoin is still in downtrend. This is very clear. And here you can see it. On 27th of April, candles cross this 21 weekly moving average, and after that, here you can see Bitcoin hit $64,800. But unfortunately, Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon line, and now Bitcoin is at $39,100. If Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon, EMA line, 21 weekly EMA line towards upside and stay above $45,000, in that case, Bitcoin will create new all-time high. Otherwise, Bitcoin price is ready to hit again $36,000, maybe $34,000 area. This is very harsh, but it is very, very true. This is my technical analysis. If you like my technical analysis, then please show me your support. Please subscribe my channel, join my Telegram channel, hit the bell icon, and please show me your support and hit the like button right now. And if you want to join Binance Exchange or KuCoin Exchange, HotBit or Bybit Exchange, these links are in this video's description. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me. Take care.